What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So BABA, since last week Friday, is actually slightly neutral from last week. Basically, it's dropped down and then recovered throughout the week, and we're basically back where we started on Friday's close. So overall, it looks like just a consolidation pattern at the top of a move or an impulse, which is generally a good sign. So we have a range pattern going on. So this is like a bull flag, you could say. So overall, it still looks very good. There's a gap fill that can happen at the 160 level right over here on the left side of the chart back here in November 2021. So we could go up to that gap fill as an attempt. And a lot of times it's going to be like a black hole. It's going to suck price to it when price is traveling towards a gap. So there's a good chance we do still see higher price in the future. To me, this looks like a trend reversal. I like how price has not even come back to the 120 level as of right now. It's still maintaining strong buying pressure. And there's a good chance this will continue to move up higher in the future. So BABA looks pretty good right now. It's no coincidence at all that price bottomed back here in October 2022, right around the high 50s, which coincides with the prior all-time lows as well back here in 2015 and 2016. So again, a lot of times, this past price action will matter. It will come into relevance once again, depending on where we are on the chart. So it did come back into relevance, and now it looks like a bottom. It looks like a permanent bottom because price continues to move up higher off of that level. So overall, it looks like a trend reversal, expecting higher prices. And we did maybe reach a measurement target in the near term, I believe. So let's take a look at that right now. This was all one massive leg right here. Second leg up. So we did reach the target. That's why price is kind of stabilizing right around this region. But there's a good chance that this will continue moving up higher. If this was a big range pattern, let's take a look at the weekly chart for that. We can do a measured move of a range breakout. So generally when price is in a range, which let's say would be about this size, we can bring up the lows. Lows look to be maybe like right about there. A lot of times when we break out of a range and it's successful, meaning we don't fall back in immediately, a lot of times it can make a measure move of the range size. You double the range, 166. So right where I said about 160 to 166 is a potential next target for BABA. So as right now, it's holding up very well, and most likely we will see higher prices. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.